Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning to you.
Good morning to you.
It's my turn, good morning. It's your turn, good morning to you. Good morning.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Good morning to you.
Repeat after me. How are you?
How are you?
How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm fine.
I'm pretty well.
I'm pretty well.
I'm not good.
I'm not good.
I'm so-so.
I'm so-so.
I'm very well.
I'm very well.
I'm doing fantastic.
I'm doing fantastic.
And what about you?
And what about you?
And you?
And you?
And you?
And you?
I'm also fine.
I'm also fine.
I'm also well.
I'm also well.
I'm not good.
I'm not good.
I'm not too much good.
I'm not too much good.
I have no complaint.
I have no complaint.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm from Uganda.
I'm from Uganda.
I'm from?
Uganda.
What's your name?
What's your name?
My full name is Muhammad Umar Farooq Khan Rahat. And Rahat is my nickname. It's very popular name all over the country. And you may call me as Rahat sir. Thank you very much. Repeat after me. What do you do? What do you do?
What do you do?
I'm a student.
I'm a student.
I'm a teacher.
I'm a teacher.
I'm a teacher.
I'm a teacher.
I'm jobless.
I'm jobless.
I'm out of work.
I'm out of work.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to talk to you.
Nice to talk to you.
Nice to talk to you too.
Nice to talk to you too.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you interested?
Yes.